Good morning, teachers. This is Mr. Boyd. In this video, I'm going to focus in on how to send out a mass email to either all of a class or to every student that you teach. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up your Focus gradebook you can either open it up to the home screen or open it up to a particular class. It really doesn't matter. And then over here, you're going to click on Students. And right down here, you will notice that there is a print letters and send email option. Go ahead and click on that. And then unless you have a template already set up that you've sent out before, which I've got one, but I mainly use the one-time letter option up here. So you're going to need to click on that. Okay, right here on this screen is where you're going to enter your text for either your letter or your email. Now, if you want to send it to several classes, you need to click on Search All Sections or the entire school, which almost no one ever does. You need to click on those boxes. Next, click Continue. Okay, from here you can see that I'm only getting a class of 25 students because this is isolated to period 6. If I had clicked all sections, it would show me all 140 of my students, and then I simply need to select which students I want. I click this box if I want them all, or I can select individual students. I would like to send an email, so I'm going to click on Send Emails. I always like to get a copy so that I can put it in a folder to remind me that I sent something home. And then you can select whether you want it to go to the student or the parent. Select the ones that you want. Once you have made a selection, all you have to do is click Send Emails, and those emails will go out to your recipients that you chose over on the left-hand side. Hope you find this is helpful. Thanks for watching.